Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we shall learn about some short sentences. First one is वह तुम्हारा पीछा नहीं करेगा. He will not follow you. He will not follow you. Next is वह तुम्हें परेशान नहीं करेगा. He will not disturb or bug you. मैं तुम्हें वचन देता हूँ. I pledge you. I pledge you. Next is मैं उसे अच्छी तरह से जानता हूँ. I know him very well. I know him very well. उसके इरादे सही नहीं हैं. His intentions are not good. वह उसे भाव नहीं देती है. She gives him cold shoulder. मैंने उसे बहुत सुनाया. I rebuked him. I rebuked him. तुमने अपनी औकात दिखा दी. You showed your status. You showed your status. बहकी बातें मत करो. Don't talk absurd thing. इधर उधर की बातें मत करो. Don't beat around the bush. Don't beat around the bush. यह हानिकारक है. It's dangerous. It's injurious. सिगरेट मत पियो. Don't smoke. Don't smoke. Next is मेरे हाथ में गुम चोट आई है. I have got internal injury in my hand. Next is मेरे हाथ में सूजन है. There is swelling in my hand. There is swelling in my hand. क्या तुम्हारे पास मरहम है? Do you have balm? Do you have balm? यह गर्मी की वजह से होता है. It happens due to hot. It happens due to hot. मेरे पूरे शरीर में खुजली हो रही है. It's itching in my whole body. मुझे पसीना आ रहा है. I'm getting sweat. I'm getting sweat. मेरे हाथों में खुजली हो रही है. It's itching in my hands. It's itching in my hands. मैं गिर गया था. I had fallen down. I had fallen down. Next is यह बदबूदार है. It's stinky. It's stinky. उसकी यादें मुझे सता रही हैं. Her memories are tormenting me. Her memories are tormenting me. मेरा इससे कोई लेना देना नहीं है. It's none of my business. It's none of my business. तुम अपनी संस्कार भूल रहे हो. You are forgetting your culture. Next is तुमने मेरा मूड खराब कर दिया. You spoiled my mood. You spoiled my mood. यहाँ से चले जाओ. Go from here. यहाँ से चले जाओ. Go from here. मैं तुम्हें बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकता. I can't bear you. I can't bear you. तुमने उसे सर पर चढ़ाया है. You pampered him. You pampered him. तुम अपने आप को समझते क्या हो? What do you think of yourself? What do you think of yourself? मुझसे बुरा कोई नहीं होगा. No one will be worse than me. No one will be worse than me. मुझे धमकी मत दो. Don't threaten me. Don't threaten me. कौन कौन है वहाँ? Who all are there? Who all are there? Next is जिद मत करो. Don't insist. Don't insist. अब मान जाओ. Now give in. Now give in. Next is यह तुम्हारी हैसियत से बाहर है. It's beyond your capacity. Next is यह तुमने जानबूझकर किया है. You did it intentionally or deliberately. Next is मैंने कुछ गलत नहीं बोला. I didn't speak any wrong. I didn't speak any wrong. मैं तुम्हारी तारीफ कर रहा था. I was admiring you. I was admiring you. तुम मेरी बातें चुपके से सुन रहे थे. You were overhearing my talks. यह मेरी गलती नहीं है. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. तुम घमंडी हो. You are egoistic. You are egoistic. तुमने मुझे गुस्सा दिलाया. You made me angry. You made me angry. उसने उल्टा जवाब दिया. He answered back. He answered back. शुरुआत तुमने की थी. You had started. You had started. मैं उसे नहीं छोड़ूंगा. I will not spare him. I will not spare him. Next is उसने तुम्हारे साथ चालाकी की है. He played tricks on you. He played tricks on you. At last, I would say like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.